Installing a heavy-duty rack extension. Secure a side panel to the side of the rack with 7 screws. And then repeat this step on the other side panel. Align the top cover with the screw holes on the front of the rack and secure each side with 2 screws. Secure each of the 2 front panels to the side panels with 4 screws. If the side panel screws have not been fully tightened, tighten them now. Install the 2 hinges, 2 door stops, and the door latch to the rack. Install the door back on the rack. Align the door with the hinges and hold it in place. Push the hinge pins down to the closed position so that the door is secured.